Siamo a Milano dove è in corso Next to Oncology, un evento organizzato da Over con il supporto non condizionante di Daiichi Italia, durante il quale si parla di innovazione in oncologia. E noi parliamo di trascrittomica spaziale con un esperto, il professor Christos Sotiriou del Jules Bordet Institute di Bruxelles. Professor Sotiriou, the focus of your presentation today was spatial transcriptomics. But what is exactly this technology?
Spatial transcriptomics is the technology that allows us to interrogate the gene expression, but also take into account the localization from where this gene expression comes from, but also it comes from tumor cells, from stroma, from lymphocytes. So this is the technology that allows us to dissect the tumor heterogeneity of the tumor.
How can you use spatial transcriptomics to characterize the heterogeneity of breast cancer?
Yeah, so far when we using or when we're looking about gene expression, what we take the tumor, we take the RNA, and we don't have an idea whether these RNAs comes from tumor cells, from stroma cells, and from which part of the tumor. Now with the spatial transcriptomics, we can do that. So we can take these RNAs, and we know from which part of the tumor comes from, and from which tumor, which cell types comes from. And so we can actually interrogate, okay, that this gene expression comes from T cells that are in contact with tumor cells, and there is also some gene expression coming from macrophages or from different tumor cells. So allow us to really interrogate the heterogeneity, because we know that tumors are very, very heterogeneous. You know that there are some tumors that have more lymphocytes than others. There are some tumors that have more macrophages, more neutrophils. We know that there are differences in terms of tumor cells. So gene expression, spatial transcriptomics, allow us to do that, to interrogate this heterogeneity in breast cancer, but also for any other tumor types.
Which are the other applications of spatial transcriptomics beyond the breast cancer?
Yeah, so this is what I'm saying, is that we did that in breast cancer, but there are many other scientists and investigators that apply this technology for other tumor types, as for instance lung cancer, prostate, and other any solid tumor type. You can apply this technology in order to dissect the heterogeneity of the tumor and better understand this heterogeneity to better treat our patients in the future.
Is already spatial transcriptomics ready for prime time?
No, I mean, clearly this is very expensive, it's very time consuming, but allow us to better understand, as I said, the disease and the information to get from the spatial transcriptomics analysis. We can actually infer from bulk RNA, and in the future, hopefully, from what we learn from this analysis, that will allow us to better design clinical studies, and hopefully also to better select our patients and for the future therapeutic strategies. But it's again science fiction, as I said this morning. But as I said, it's important to understand the disease to better treat in the future.
We are here in Milan for Next to Oncology. Which is, in your opinion, the significance and the value and the importance of an event like this?
So I was very, very pleased to see that there are many people that I know not from Italy, from outside of Italy, very, very good speakers and very good investigators. And I think particularly for young medical oncologists from Italy, from the area, I think it's very interesting meeting, because they hear key opinion leaders, people that investigators that actually done a lot of work outside, abroad, and I was very, very pleased to see that, and actually also to have interactions, Q&As that after each talks was very, very impressive, very, very nice.